Hello everybody, John here, and today on To The Garage, careful how I say that, we're back. My previous channel, The Garage, was hacked by scammers and is still offline. Attempts continue to recover it by me, by Google, by YouTube, but as yet unsuccessful, and sort of diminishing hopes. That means potentially we've lost an awful lot of videos all about these beauties, the Jaguar X100s, and that is a big loss. Bigger loss for me is the loss of my community, my friends. I've talked a lot in the past about part of the reason for doing this channel is I'm working in the garage on my own, on my hobby, but it's more fun with a friend, isn't it? I've got a few friends out there, it's you lot. I love the comments, I love people getting involved for the good, for the bad, for the experience, for the knowledge, and for the crack. So I'm not going to wait around for things to happen. So we've created a new channel, and the new channel is called To The Garage. That's probably in mirror, isn't it? To The Garage. So I'll put the name of the channel up there. Now my problem is reaching my community to let them know that the channel has moved. So I'm sharing this on Facebook. I'm going to share it with some of my fantastic YouTube XK8 community friends who might share it as well for me. But you guys who are watching this right now, you have a part to play as well. If you've ever enjoyed the channel or got something out of it, I'm asking of you two things, please. Go over to the new channel and subscribe. Subscription doesn't mean paying anything. It just means that it gets added to your favourites. And the reason that matters so much to us YouTubers, and you'll hear us say it time and time again, is my channel, if I search for it on YouTube, even though it's up, the new channel, I can't find it. You've literally got to use the correct link to get there. As the number of subscribers grows, so YouTube and its algorithm will think, oh, okay, people are interested in this. More people who search for To The Garage, I'm going to say, do you mean this? More people who search for XK8 related action, I'm going to say, do you want to look at this? It's that subscriber number that really, really helps or hinders a channel. And when you subscribe, you will see a little bell icon that you can click for notifications. It's a great idea to click that because it just means that YouTube will send you a little message when there's a new video out from To The Garage. It's going to be like a catchphrase, isn't it? I'm going to look like Zorro. The second thing you can do, do you have Jaguar buddies? Do you have people who you think watch? Are you part of a Facebook group or whatever? Just share, let people know that we're back. Now I've managed to salvage about the last 4 or 5 videos before the scam, so they'll be going back up. And the first video that comes out, which is called Seam Sealer, is a combination of bits and pieces I filmed before and after the event, so that one looks a little bit dicey. I've also got access to about 40 of the very, very earliest videos that were on the original channel. And I'll probably launch those one a week or something like that under the heading of classic videos. You'll see me without beard, filmed on a phone, with no microphone. The quality will be not 4K. I'd like to profusely apologise to anybody who was kind enough and generous enough to purchase one of our Secrets of the XK8 spreadsheets. Now we sold those on the website as a way that people could contribute a little bit to the channel. And I didn't feel too bad because it didn't feel like accepting a charitable donation. I was giving them something back. So there's a spreadsheet out there with links to the first 100 Secrets of the XK8 videos. Now, plainly, it no longer works because it takes you to a channel that doesn't exist. I hope that it is going to come back, in which case that will work again. But to you guys, I apologise. That's all I can do. This is obviously not something of my doing, but I can't help feeling a little bad for you guys. This new channel is going to be bigger and better if the old one doesn't come back. I'll give it a little bit more time before I press hard on the go button, but I have a few ideas that will take us to the next level in terms of interest and really boost our XK8 content. But for now, I just want to say a huge thank you to the XK8 community who have got in touch with me, to all of my XK8 YouTube buddies who've got channels, who are just super keen, who've kept my spirits up and have helped to share and get this message out there. And I hope you all know that I would do the same for you folks. And on the new channel, what you'll see is about the third row down is a strip of recommended channels that are other XK8 based YouTube channels that I highly recommend. They're my favourites. Right, that's it. And now I've got this out there, I'm slightly motivated to get on and film some more stuff. You've not missed much because I've been moping, but I've stopped moping and now we're back on. Down with the scammers and up with to the garage. See you soon, folks.